Okay, ambiguous is the case of the sine law part 2. Solve triangle XYZ. This is workbook page 202. So solve triangle XYZ if angle X is 120 degrees, X equals 40, and Z equals 20. All right, now, the reason why this is part 2 is because we're dealing with angles that are larger than 90. That's all. So when I go to make this triangle, I'm just going to draw it a little bit differently. That angle is larger than 90, so I'm going to make sure it looks larger than 90. So that'll be 120. That'll be X. This will be 40. This is Z. Let's put Z up here just for fun. That'll be Z. That'll make this 20. That makes this Y. So now I've got a triangle that I want to try to solve. I've got this angle, that side. I've got this side, so I'm going to try to solve that angle. So sine of Z over 20 will equal sine of 120 over 40. Sine of Z will equal 20 sine of 120 over 40. So sine 120 times 20 equals, divided by 40 equals, sine of Z equals approximately 0.4330. So sine inverse 0.4330 is going to be 25.7. Angle Z equals approximately 25.7 degrees. And angle Z could equal 180 minus 25.7. 180 minus 25.7 would give 154.3. So the question is, this plus this, 120 plus 25.7 will give 145.7. It leaves some. It's less than 180. So I've got some for this angle over here. 154 plus 120? Yeah, way too much. So 154.3 degrees plus 120 degrees is way over 180 degrees. Therefore, this angle and this angle cannot be in the same triangle. Only one triangle is possible. And that's this triangle, and then you would just continue to solve this triangle. So that would be 25.7. Angle Y would then be 180 minus 120 minus 25.7. 180 minus 120 minus 25.7. And you would get angle Y is equal to 34.3 degrees, which would be here. And then you would solve for this side simply by using the sine law. And I'm getting tired of doing it, but you know how to do that. That would simply be Y over sine of 34.3 equals 40 over sine of 120. And I trust that you can solve for Y and be able to do that. Okay, that's that one done.